What's good, YouTube? Thank you for coming back to my channel, Project Flip. Today, I finally got something that I needed since I put my exhaust on the car, something that's going to help quiet it down. Let's go ahead and dive in and take a look. We gonna make them say, na 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 na. Alright, enough of that. So I got my Glasspack in, something I've been needing, something that I've mentioned to y'all, that if you're gonna get a cheap exhaust system, that I'd highly recommend getting a Glasspack to help replace that resonator that it comes with. So mine finally came in, and let's go ahead and pull it out the box. As you can tell, I already opened it up, but we're gonna pull it out anyways. So let's just go ahead and slide this thing out. Look at that big red tube here. Boom. So that's what it is. If you guys have never seen a Glasspack before, that's what it is. It is a big cylinder. Okay. It's more than just a big cylinder. What it is, it's going to replace my resonator. So this pretty much acts as a mid-exhaust system muffler. It's going to help quiet down your exhaust system, so that way you don't have that raspy, ricey, make a lot of noise type of thing going down the street. This is going to help me out quite a bit, and I'm quite anxious to put this on. Now, it's a little too late right now to obviously go have it done, but I'm going to have to put it on when I get off of work tomorrow. We're going to go find a shop and see if we can get this installed pretty cheap. We're going to cut off my existing resonator and have this one put in its place, and I'm going to take you guys through that process. So let's go ahead and fast forward a little bit and jump into the future. What's good, guys? It is a new day today. I'm in the car with my homeboy D Knight with D Knight Media. Car is actually over here at the Muffler shop right now, and I had to go run around the corner to go pull out some cash. Right now it is getting the resonator put on, so let's go check out and see where they're at with everything. Woo! Guys, we got the car jacked up here. We're over here at American Mufflers, just past 43rd and Indian School. If you guys are interested in getting some muffler work done, come down here and check them out. They're about to hook your boy up, get my Glasspack put on, and get this taken off. So let's just kind of step back here and get you a better view of the whole exhaust system. Kind of a undercar view now that we got it up on a lift. You can see my 90 up here. So don't do this. This is why I said recommend getting a 90, because my first 02, you don't have much clearance and it destroyed my wires. So I had to get another 02 and get a 90. Got rid of the cat code. But yeah, this is the spacing I was telling you about. If you want to be able to keep the flanges, you got your hanger. This is the little basic baby resonator. And you got your other flange. This is the spacing I was telling you guys about. It's about 25 inches. The body of this is about 23, 24 inches. So they're about to cut and weld. So let's go ahead and let these guys get to work, and we'll get some shots of them doing that. buddy. So they just finished it up. Looks like they bringing it down now. We about to get to the moment of truth here. Remember, guys, American Muffler. American Muffler. We about to get that first start up now. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah. Still sick. So we just left American Muffler. It is all put in place here with the Glasspack. As you can tell, we are going on a drive. We're about to drive. It has definitely dampened the sound a lot more, and it is a lot more suitable for daily driving. So I would highly recommend it. I went to American Muffler. It was down the street from where I'm at. They hooked me up. I'd say if you're in the area, I'm in Phoenix, just past 43rd and Indian School. Check them out. They did me good, man. They hooked me up. I'm happy. I appreciate you guys tuning into my video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. But thank you again for all my current subscribers. And, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Till next time, guys. Peace.